have the hiccups, buddy? You have the hiccups? Huh? Alright, you guys. Bruno here has the hiccups. I guess he ate too fast or something. I'm not sure. But, I know it's been a while. Well, a couple days since I posted a video. I'm vlogging. I am failing this vlog every day until Christmas challenge. I've already failed 2 days. But, I'm sorry. Yesterday, we did, however, go for a ride with Steve's Ride. Or that's his Instagram name anyways. I'm not sure if he has a YouTube. I haven't really looked yet. I'm pretty sure he does because he vlogs. But, you guys should go check him out on Instagram. Went to go ride with him yesterday. I was going to take Bruno, but he's not quite used to the motorcycle yet. And I was kind of scared to leave him back there in my backpack for a while. So, we'll see. We'll get him to come with us sometime. Probably later when it gets warmer outside. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing, Bruno? Let everybody see that cute face. Hey. Let everybody see that cute face. Bruno. 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 Oh, look at that beautiful face. That corgi booty. That corgi booty. But, yeah, yesterday we went for a ride. We went to Wimberley, Texas, and we went to a little cafe there in Wimberley. And their food was actually really good. I had a regular hamburger, but it was really, really good. Also, their dessert is very fancy. I mean, the presentation is like very fancy. It looks very, very nice, and it's actually just a small cafe. Like, you wouldn't expect it to be that good looking and all inside, and like the food to be presented the way it is. But it was very, very good. I can't remember what it's called, but it's in Wimberley, Texas. It's at like it's in a little, it's like Wimberley Square, I believe that's what it's called, and it has like a bunch of little cafes and stores and stuff right there, and it's just so beautiful in Wimberley. I've never really been to Wimberley, so yesterday was like a really good adventure. It's very beautiful. There's a little creek that runs through Wimberley, and there's a whole bunch of trees. I don't know if they're cedar or like oak trees or what, but they're the really big trees that take in a whole bunch of water, so they need to be next to a little, like a water thing. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You're so adorable. What? But yeah, it was just so beautiful out there. And bless you. But yeah, it was really pretty outside the whole ride out there. It was nice, and it was kind of a I don't know. I mean, it didn't really rain on us. It did sprinkle after we ate. And we went to go down to the creek because I insisted that we go down to the creek and at least take a couple pictures. And I did post one picture on Instagram already of how beautiful it was. And that's how it looked like everywhere in Wimberley. It was so beautiful. There was a little waterfall, which you can kind of see in the picture that I posted, but it's not like directly on the waterfall. But it was just so pretty out there. But yeah, it did sprinkle, like I said, just a little bit though, but it ended up stopping by the time we got on our bikes and left. And yeah. Oh, whenever we got back to Austin, we showed Mr. Steve to a good arcade that Hunter showed us to. So we took him there and we played some games, and it was really fun. They got a lot of new games. It's called Pinball Arcade off of 183. It's over there by Holiday Lanes. Like, this is his spot, you guys. This is his spot. Look at him. He's so cute. You're so cute. I found it the first day he got here. I was petting him and he started doing it. I was like, oh my god, I finally found it. Or, I found it already. Look at this cute little corgi face. Look at this cute little corgi face. I bought him some more treats yesterday because the treats that we did get him, they're kind of big and they're a little bit too hard for him. But it looks like he found a piece on the floor just now and he's eating it a little bit, so maybe his teeth are getting a little bit stronger since he's gotten here, which is good. But anyways, we got him some different treats. They're like bacon and cheese flavored, and they smell exactly like bacon. But we're gonna use those as like training treats. So whenever he does something good, we'll give him a piece of those since they smell really good. Those are his training treats. What else? As you guys know, Hunter went into surgery yesterday for tonsillectomy. We haven't really talked to him in a while, but hopefully he's doing alright. Hopefully he's going to get well soon, so we can go on a ride again, because we haven't been on a ride with Hunter in a while. There's some more. Oh, I think later on today, I'm gonna post the other half of that ride we went on. I think I'll do that because so you guys can have something to watch. That can be my other vlog that I missed from my vlog everyday challenge. I think I'm gonna take Bruno outside in a little bit so he can get some good exercise. But I think that's gonna be it for right now, and I will post the other half of the vlog later on this evening. Oh, I think he's gonna go use the restroom. You're gonna use the restroom? Oh, I don't want you guys to see that. So, until tomorrow, well, you guys are gonna see, you guys are going to get that video. Okay, maybe you got something to look at. Well, Bruno's coming back now, so. Come on, Bruno. Bruno. Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Oh, what's that? Anyways, until later, you guys. I'll be posting that video pretty soon. Well, not pretty soon, but later on this evening. Say bye, Bruno. Them beautiful eyes. Alright, you guys.